Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers and our team out here in Kansas City. What we've done here is we've got the floor, the existing concrete floor and the subgrade all removed. Half of it's hauled off. We got a little bit more to haul off here later in the week. We got this floor back here just about finished pouring. It's a little bit wet. We're letting it set up a little bit, but everything is going just perfect for us. I told everybody at the beginning of this we were going to make this pour on the floor easy. Wasn't going to do it in one day like we had done in the past, and the concrete sets up and there's no room. Do everything the easiest way possible, and that is divide this basement into four and do it that way. So we got that room right there. We'll have that finished this afternoon. Come and take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. A little bit wet. Just let it set up so we can get in there and work on it a little bit. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. On the last step on this, after the floors are done, we're going to come in here and bare waterproof these walls with bare waterproofing paint. It'll be bright white. We've also got three vertical support beams that we're going to set in here, 6x6 treated wood support beam columns setting on 2x2 2-foot thick footings, and that'll wrap this job up. Oh, one more thing, we're going to put a sump pump in over there in the corner, and that'll wrap it up. The sump pump's a little bit of an extra, but that's okay. So I'm real happy with this job. It looks real good. So stay tuned as we get this job more complete. I'd say by the end of the week we'll be finished up here. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.